You think this is a waste of time? Probably. I'm the only one who's ever going to see this. Hey, welcome back to the garage. I have some more odd jobs to do. In this case, I need to take apart the pedal box, clean it up a little bit, and install the Hydroboost kit. I'm going to start doing that. I'm not sure I'm going to get it all done today. I have a very limited timeline today. But I also want to hit some of the grease underneath with some brake cleaner. And that might actually just do it for today, and we'll see about tomorrow. So here's a quick view of the pedal box. I'm calling the pedal box. I don't know what it's actually called, pedal bracket, whatever. But it has the clutch and brake pedal. The new system comes with its own brake pedal. It has a slightly different angle and hookup points. But you also know how I feel about rust. So I'm going to try to get as much of this rust treated as possible and perhaps get this all painted. Hopefully we'll be able to get back together in one piece. Alright, this may or may not be obvious, but the first thing we need to do is take everything apart, and then we'll go over some differences. Spider web. Anybody know what this is? Alright, so this is ready to be cleaned up. That's ready to be cleaned up. This. See, I also had the Motorsport adjustable SVO clutch quadrant. The old brake pedal. You see the new one is a little bit different. Alright, so this is, I believe it's the neutral safety switch, but my car was originally an automatic, so it didn't have the plug-in for this. Something we could always put in later though. is your clutch pedal. These are the bushings. A little grease on that on the way back in. Okay. So this is welded, but we can. I'm going to grease all this up when I put it back in, I think. And then this is welded on. I'm going to reuse the clutch pedal here. Turned out I had even less time yesterday than I thought I did. So this is where we left off. We took this all apart. I was cleaning these up. We're starting to, for that matter. So let's continue with that. Should be good. Again, nobody's ever gonna see this. So this is really just for me. And you, if you're watching, I suppose. It did seem like something was leaking here, so there was like a leak coming down this way. So I'm gonna check underneath. I'm gonna check the cowl where that connects to see if it needs to put any fresh seam sealer on. Otherwise, I think the rust reformer will be able to grab onto most of this. I'm going to do a coat of rust reformer, sand it, coat of paint, coat of primer, unless I have the combination paint and primer left, which I might do. Just wanted on record that it's raining today and it's a horrible day to do this. It's like 100% humidity, but I don't really have that much time to do stuff. Alright, I'm gonna hit it with a couple rounds of panel prep. I'll start filming again when I'm ready to paint. While we're waiting for that to dry, I have another set of stuff to open up. Sticker, seam sealer, non-automotive related, and this is for crimping pecs, but I also wanted a hardline crimper. This is another one of these. These are grease fittings of various sizes and shapes in a box that's been smashed. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. My masking tape? I ordered this like months ago. Okay. And finally we have these are CV boot clips and tools and whatnot. This one is just smashed. There we go. All better. Can't believe I forgot about this. Clutch pedal. Look at that. That looks like crap. I forgot to roll footage, but I masked this off from the other side, and I just sanded the edge there a little bit because there was a little bit of rust, particularly right here. So I hit it with the rust reformer. Yeah, so let's take a look how this is drying. Looks pretty good. Clutch pedal. probably not gonna put this together today, which means I'm gonna have to split this video into part 1 and part 2. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, I'm kind of running out of time for today, but I think it's coming along pretty good. Yeah, so in the next video, I will maybe put another couple of actual paint coats on it, and then start putting it back together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.